Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below for easy access. This video shares my personal experience using the Trezor Suite wallet. Is the Trezor Suite wallet a safe and reliable option? Let's explore that. The Trezor Suite is companion software specifically designed to enhance the functionality and usability of Trezor hardware wallets, all while adhering to the strictest security standards. It caters to a wide range of cryptocurrency users, from beginners just starting their crypto journey to seasoned traders managing complex portfolios. Whether you're new to the space or a seasoned pro, Trezor Suite offers a secure and convenient platform. Trezor Suite seamlessly integrates with Trezor hardware wallets, such as the Trezor Model 1 and Trezor Model T. This integration creates a highly secure environment for managing your valuable cryptocurrencies. Supporting a broad spectrum of coins and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ERC20 tokens, Trezor Suite ensures flexibility for users holding diverse digital assets. The platform simplifies core cryptocurrency actions, allowing you to send, receive, and exchange your holdings with ease. Moreover, Trezor Suite provides integrated portfolio tracking tools, empowering you to monitor the performance of your investments over time. A defining feature of the Trezor Suite is its unwavering commitment to security. Because it's designed to work in tandem with a hardware wallet, your private keys never leave the device, and all transactions are signed offline, away from potential online threats. The open-source nature of the software promotes transparency and allows for independent security audits, ensuring no hidden vulnerabilities exist. Further reinforcing security, Trezor Suite supports advanced measures like passphrase protection, PIN codes, and recovery seed functionality. These features protect your funds even in worst-case scenarios, such as the loss or theft of your hardware device. For maximum user convenience, Trezor Suite is available across various platforms, including desktop applications for Windows, macOS, and Linux, as well as a web interface. While the web interface offers flexibility, the desktop version is strongly recommended for enhanced security, as it operates independently of potential browser vulnerabilities. The intuitive interface of Trezor Suite simplifies fund management, account setup, and preference adjustments, making it accessible even for those new to the world of cryptocurrency. In summary, the Trezor Suite is an excellent choice for anyone who currently owns or plans to acquire a Trezor hardware wallet and seeks a secure and feature-rich software solution to manage their digital assets. The powerful combination of usability, transparency, and robust security makes it a leading option for both long-term investors and active traders. Check out the links in the description to delve deeper into Trezor Suite and discover how it can elevate your cryptocurrency experience.